Welcome back to Daytime Live. It's all about mixed martial arts. And joining us to talk about this and the RFL7 Reignition event is Kyle Chin. Welcome, Kyle.
Hi, thank you.
Excited.
Hello, Kyle. So, Kyle, this event is being put on by the Rough Fight League, which is the largest mixed martial arts organization in the English-speaking Caribbean. What exactly is mixed martial arts?
So mixed martial arts is essentially a mixture of martial arts. So instead of, just striking arts, which would be like boxing, kickboxing, Muay Thai, we also include wrestling and grappling and Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. So we're also trying to go for arm locks, arm breaks, chokes, foot locks, foot breaks, knee breaks. All of that is a part of it because what we're trying to do is get as close as we can to what would happen in an actual fight situation while keeping safe at the same time in order to compete.
All right, so the RFL7 Reignition, what can we expect?
Well, you're gonna expect some fights. So we're actually gonna mix it up. Instead of just having MMA fights, we're having MMA and kickboxing. So what we intend to have is 12 fights, and essentially it's a Trinidad versus Jamaica situation. So the top 3 fights, the last 3 fights, being our co-main event and our main event, are 2 championship fights between Trinidad and Jamaica. So our number 1 in the Caribbean is a Jamaican champion, our champion, Shaheen Blake. So he's defending his belt against the number 3 in the Caribbean, right? Anthony Joseph from Trinidad, and then the number 1 in the Caribbean from Trinidad is coming to fight for the belt against our undefeated challenger, Demar Hazam.
I love that.
Fabulous.
All right.
Kyle, break down the different weight variations for us. I know there's some classifications.
Right, so for instance, like our main event is a lightweight championship, which is at 155. So the limit is 155. It can be no heavier than 155, no lighter. Well, it can be lighter than whatever, but you want to stay between 145 and 155.
Yeah.
And then the bantamweight is going to be 135 to 145. And of course we have, so I was a middleweight when I competed, which is no heavier than 185. You have welterweight at 170, and then heavyweight 205. Right,
So like
205 up.
So you were a former middleweight champion, like you just mentioned. Were you really? Were you really? So were you though? Were you though? I'm not convinced. So, right, I'm joking. Can you show us like a few mixed martial arts moves?
Sure, absolutely. What you want to learn? You want to learn a punch or you want to learn a choke?
I want to punch. I want to punch something.
The punch or the choke?
I know Nisha Yen is a dancer.
Nisha wants to learn the choke, but I want to punch something.
No, that's not what I said.
So
Okay. Not what I said, people.
The whole thing with punching is being able to use your entire body, right?
Right.
So you want to be able to turn. Are you left-handed or right-handed?
Right-handed.
Switch your legs.
Okay.
So you want to be able to turn all of your hip, going up on that ball, wonderful, while pushing forward with the right hand, right? That's your power hand, right? So you want to turn into it. Beautiful.
Rochelle, is who trouble you?
Hold on.
Rochelle, is who
So let me
upset
see what
you?
left hand looking like. Just reaching out.
Rochelle, what's
don't-
going down?
You always want to come from the chin because you don't want, when you do this, somebody does that.
Right.
So you start from the chin, hands up. I can see your chin all day.
Okay.
All day. All day I'm hitting that. Right? So just send out that left hand. Beautiful right hand. Beautiful left right. Yeah. Left right. Left right. Right hand. Right hand. Left right. Left right. All right. So now, but in MMA we're using kicks as well, right?
Right.
So we want to go left, right, and then throw a kick right here.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, Jesus,
Right here.
are you sure?
Yeah, man.
All right.
Positive. 1, 2, boom. All right, wonderful. But now you want to turn over. You want to send. You want the shin to go down into that leg, right? Let's go. No, man. Up here.
Okay.
Boom. We see you kicking foot.
Yeah.
That will break your foot.
Why it
So
feel like
we want to
Rochelle
kick with
really
the
wants to
shin.
hurt you though, Kyle? What's
know.
happening?
Sorry, guys.
What's happening?
Boom. Nice. But
that don't
come
feel
up
as
on
firm.
top.
Okay.
Come up on top right here.
All right.
Boom. Beautiful.
Kyle, you alright?
Come, Nisha, let me see what you got. I know you're a high kicker.
See, I'm
yeah.
I'm just like, come in here.
Here's what you do now.
Ninja.
So I
Okay.
want you to box this. I want you to box it. You know how to box somebody?
So?
You get no with that hand. You're going
Why does
boxing,
that-
boxing
okay,
across
box
the face,
up,
and then you're going to kick under here.
And then kicks up.
Boom, wonderful. So come closer.
Come
Let's
closer.
go. So box.
So box him, so? and then kicks up.
Boom. Wonderful. You want to go right up under the ribs though, because that's where
Okay.
we do some damage,
Yeah,
right?
all right, I like
Because at the end of the day, we want the other guy to stop.
That's right, I wanted to
Right?
stop.
So we're going to go box.
Yeah, box.
Yeah, under there. Oh, too high.
Too high. Oh,
That's
too
our muscle
high.
up there.
You heard that?
That's our muscle.
Is it Kyle? Okay, okay.
I'm trying.
Okay. All
But
right,
what
so
we
right
want
here.
is ribs.
Ribs.
Okay.
Ribs, right
That's the one. Oh my goodness. So
there.
box
All
on
right.
it.
So here, and then I'm going right there.
Oh, still too high. Come
So
back
too high.
down.
Oh my God. Overachiever, you know what I
You know
mean?
what I'm saying?
There.
That's the one. That's the one.
Overachiever.
All right? So we're going to do that quick. So after
Okay.
after you kick me here, you're going to box me again with this one.
With this hand.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna
boom, bam, deadly, dangerous, dangerous.
All right, bro, I'm done. Go.
Nisha,
You
you
want some
alright?
choke? You want some choke?
Kyle has been trying to choke us forever. You
I
know?
mean-
Kyle. Kyle.
Kyle,
If it's
I
one,
feel like a ninja. Tell me
Choker,
tell me
Kyle, choker.
about some of the benefits of mixed martial arts.
oh man. So everybody kind of understands the benefits of the tenets of sports and the idea of having self-worth improve, having self-discipline improve, this idea of overcoming small obstacles on a daily basis in order to increase your confidence in becoming a successful person on the whole. And when you talk about mixed martial arts, we're talking about a situation where we're involving multiple disciplines. So we're not just doing judo, we're not just doing karate, we're involving multiple disciplines. And in that sense, you have to be that much more dedicated, that much more confident, that much more disciplined. And it does wonders for even your mind, because even the mental game that's involved in jiu-jitsu is much different than the mental game involved in boxing. And they tend to say that Brazilian jiu-jitsu in particular is a very cerebral sport. So a lot of very intelligent people tend to gravitate towards it because they just enjoy the chess game that is constantly going on.
Yeah.
So I think the benefits when it comes to martial arts are endless, especially mixed martial arts, and of course, physicality, musculature,
Discipline.
long life,
Yeah.
all of that is included.
And I definitely agree with you that you do feel strong when you like in a match, you're doing some kind of sparring. I definitely felt, even just doing that little.
exhilarating.
Yeah,
Yeah.
little like, come on, empowering.
do this.
And so our very own Dufton Shepherd is actually hosting
That's
this
right.
event.
I'm very excited about
Duffy,
that.
yeah, me too.
Yeah.
We're not gonna put him in the ring so somebody can kick him.
Hey, listen, man, I want him nasty.
Why not do Duffy that?
Just put him in the ring too, so we slap him.
Don't
Okay,
beat him
when and where? I'll volunteer. I'll
So-
come. When can we? Yeah, when and where will the event take
So it's
place?
actually
And where can
tomorrow.
we get tickets?
It's on March 25th. So it's Saturday. Gates open at 7. Fight start at 8, and it's at the Lot. So the Lot is actually, we're partnered with the Lot for this event. And if you've never been to the Lot, it's a really cool, trendy little spot.
It's a really nice
It's
space.
it's very artistic, and they really have gotten a hold of that little trendy scene right now. So
Yeah.
we're excited to do it there.
And how much are the tickets?
So pre-sold are 2.5 for general and 3.5 for premium. Our skybox is sold out, so I won't mention that.
Okay. That's what I was going to be like, yeah.
Kyle, where can we find you on social media?
So you can find me at Afro-Asian Jamaica.
I love that. I love that.
and
You came
RFL
prepared.
Branding, branding,
RFL7.
branding.
Came prepared.
So I'm here. You know what I mean?
I love that. Thank you so much, Kyle. It's an
Absolutely.
absolute pleasure to
I
have you on the
appreciate you
show.
Thank you, Kyle.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we appreciate that. And Rochelle, thank you so
Cheyenne.
much.
Thank you for having me.
Girl power. I love it all
I
day.
loved it.
I'm here
Thank
hosting
you
with
for
the whole of
having me.
Jamaica. Thank you, Kyle. Now, you guys at home, please remember to check on your loved ones to support each other as a community, right?
Yep, definitely. Thanks for tuning in. I will be back on Tuesday with much more buzz, chat, vibe, and mix, and the high kick from Nisha, even though we're outside. And remember, guys, please stay safe and healthy.
You know how long one box somebody? Just
Can I punch again? Can I punch
just
something?
punch,
Can I-
punch, punch. Not me though.